Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 11th of July 2018. Okay guys, I am going to talk about the few pairs that we have seen through the massive movement. We have seen a very straight upward trend on USD JPY today, and this is what 200forexpips.com has predicted in the morning. The entry was 111082 and the target price was 111311. You can see that this time the upward momentum was massive, and it has even went beyond the barriers of 111311. So those subscribers who have taken this buy positions today on USD JPY, I am hopeful they must have caught a very good profit because it has went straight up. Okay, right now you can see on the AUD USD chart you can see a drop, and I'm going to take you towards this drop. This drop was already predicted by 200forexpips.com in the morning. The entry was 0746064 and the target price is 073720, and you can see that the market has already reached towards the targeted price. So we have a big drop and it already appeared during the day, and then we have again sudden drop, and those subscribers who have taken the sell positions on this pair, they must have caught a very good number of profits. Okay, now let's talk about the strong movement that we have seen today on Great Britain pound JPY. A bullish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning. I was expecting a recovery, and 147351 was the entry, and the target price was 147847, and you can see in the current hour we have hit the target price with no problems. Great Britain pound JPY has moved up in a very massive manner, and hopefully my subscribers who are subscribed to the signal service, they must have caught a very good profit by trading this pair. Another decent movement that we have seen today is on Euro JPY. You can see a very easy signal from my side. I have supplied a clear bullish trend in case of this pair. 130365 was the bullish entry from my side, and the target price was 130900. And guys, you can see result is on the screen, and Euro JPY has finally moved up and it has hit our target price with no problem. So if you have traded this one, then you must have received a very good profit on this pair. At last, I'm going to talk about AUD JPY. That's the last signal of my signals report. A bullish entry was supplied in case of AUD JPY. 82323 was the bullish entry, and the target price was 82762, and you can see we are almost near to the targeted price. We have received a very good time span to make a profit on this pair by taking a bullish entry. So those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today on AUD JPY, I am hopeful they must have caught a very decent profit by trading this pair. So guys, this is all about today's analysis. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain how to use the trading system. Sell in the top red boundary with confirmations. You can see that we have a drop on AUD JPY that appeared from the top red boundary. This red boundary stands for overbought levels, and you can see a massive drop. Even the scalper has pointed you with a sell signal in the form of red arrow, and the pair was down. And when it came into the lower red boundary, then we have seen a very good bullish push, and we have received 3 bullish signals in a row from the scalper, and finally the pair has moved up, and this is how we use the trading system. Moreover guys, I'm going to update you about the middle dotted line. Whenever you can see the hourly candle closes above the dotted line, you can see a further upward trend on the pair, and when it closes below the dotted line like this, then we receive the further downward trend, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.